Strategies to excel in investment banking career. Hello everyone. Welcome to Finance Fusion, your clarity code for complex finance fundamentals. Today, we'll decode strategies to excel in investment banking career. A holistic approach integrating financial knowledge, people skills, and strategic thinking is necessary to succeed in investment banking. An effective investment banker tracks market developments, negotiates intricate financial environments, and creates original solutions for customers. It's crucial to create a strong network, improve communication abilities, and keep up with the changes in this field. Top achievers are characterized by a strong work ethic, adaptability, and resilience. This fast-paced industry requires a unique combination of quantitative knowledge and long-term client building skills. This video covers essential tactics such as proficient financial modeling and successful networking to assist prospective professionals in achieving success in the cutthroat world of investment banking. Strategies for success to excel in investment banking. Strategy 1. Educational foundation. First and foremost, laying a solid educational foundation is essential to succeeding in investment banking. Make sure you comprehend accounting, money, and economics thoroughly. Get degrees in business economics or finance if you want to acquire the needed theoretical understanding. To boost your reputation and stand out in a crowded employment market, think about earning credentials such as CPA or Chartered Financial Analyst, which is CFA. Higher education can lead to more senior roles in investment bank and a wider view on business. Furthermore, some positions may call for certificates like the Series 7 or Series 63 licenses. Consider the particulars of the job path you want to pursue and make the necessary investment in further training or certifications. Maintaining your professional growth and learning can help you to stand out in the competitive job market by demonstrating your dedication to excellence. Strategy 2. Internships and networking. In the field of investment banking, real-world experience is quite valuable. Look for opportunities with respectable financial organization to obtain real experience and your understanding about the field. Do not forget to concentrate on developing a strong professional network. Attend industry events, make professional connections on LinkedIn, and think about joining clubs or organizations that are pertaining to your field. While attending networking events is essential, becoming an expert and networking is just as vital it can be. Make significant connections, rehearse your elevator pitch, and stay in touch with your contacts. Participate in business conferences, seminars, and social events to broaden your professional connections. Establishing a strong, memorable presence in these situations might lead to new partnerships and opportunities. Strategy 3. Mastering financial modeling and valuation. An effective investment banker possesses proficiency in financial modeling and valuation. Make time to get proficient with Excel and other financial modeling software. Recognize how to conduct firm valuations, evaluate data, and build intricate financial models. To improve your modeling abilities, think about signing up for workshops or specialized courses. For daily work in investment banking, such as creating financial predictions and doing merger and acquisition studies. This knowledge is very much essential. Strategy 4. Soft skill development. Although technical abilities are necessary, soft skills are just as important. Investment bankers frequently operate in high-pressure settings, necessitating strong problem-solving, collaboration, and communication skills. Improve your ability to interact with others. Establish a solid work ethic and foster resilience. These attributes will not only help you to stand out as a valuable team member, but also in interaction with upper management and clients. Strategy 5. Stay informed and adaptive. The financial sector is dynamic with ever-changing laws, consumer preferences, and technological advancements. Keep up with the news about international finance, economic indices, and industry advancement. Be very flexible and receptive picking up these new abilities as well. This flexibility is necessary to present yourself as a forward-thinking professional and navigate the constantly shifting world of investment banking. Keep up with the laws and regulations that control these financial sector. There are several regulations pertaining to investment banking, and compliance is very crucial. Keep up with the financial rules such as Dodd-Frank or MFID2 on a regular basis to make sure your tactics comply with the law and the principles. Strategy 6. Build a strong resume and online presence. Make sure your CV is strong that empathizes your training, experiences from internships, accomplishments, and talent. Make it specifically for the investment banking sector by highlighting pertinent experience and abilities. Establish a polished online identity such as a current LinkedIn profile. Make sure your profile accurately conveys your dedication to the enthusiasm for investment banking, as many hiring managers and recruiters use online platform to find suitable individuals. Strategy 7. Mentorship and guidance. Seek guidance from seasoned industry specialists. Having a mentor can offer insightful advice, a right direction, and a career roadmap. Try talking to experts who have handled the difficulties in investment banking and they have done it successfully. And never be afraid of advice. With views that can be crucial for conquering challenges and making wise career decisions, mentoring can be a potent tool for both your professional and your personal growth. Strategy 8. Ace the interview process. Spend time getting ready for the interview in investment banking. Practice case studies, typical technical queries, and behavioral scenarios. Display your capacity for critical thought and good communication of ideas. Examine the particular interview procedures used by the companies you are considering and adjust your preparation accordingly. Securing desired employment in investment banking is largely dependent on a strong performance during the interviews. Statistics indicate that acceptance rate for the top investment banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs typically ranges between 3 to 5%. Some final thoughts. Incorporating these additional steps into your journey will further solidify your path to success in investment banking. Remember, continuous improvement, adaptability, and strategic approach to your career are the keys. Wishing you all the best as you embark on your exciting journey in this dynamic and rewarding field of investment banking. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights and updates. Our journey into financial clarity doesn't end here. Explore our archive of videos for wealth of knowledge waiting for you. If you found value in our today's video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future insights and share it with your friends. Remember, the more we learn together, the stronger we become. Thanks for being part of the Finance Fusion, your compass to financial enlightenment.